Planning your next outdoor adventure in 2025? Don't even think about packing until you see this. In this video, we're revealing 30 amazing camping gadgets for your outdoor experience, smart, compact, and incredibly useful gear designed to take your camping game to the next level. From portable power solutions and multifunctional survival tools to innovative cooking gear and weatherproof tech, these gadgets are perfect for campers, hikers, and anyone who loves exploring the great outdoors. Number 14? It might just be the smartest camping hack you've never seen. Without further ado, let's get started. Quality rest is essential after long days outdoors or during emergencies. The Junkin sleeping bag offers waterproof, breathable comfort for all 4 seasons with soft polyester fabric, warm cotton fill, and a roomy design. Lightweight yet thick, it includes a compression sack, perfect for camping, travel, office naps, or donation purposes. Shelter from the elements is crucial during outdoor adventures. Introducing the Naturehike Cloud Up Tent, a lightweight, freestanding 2-person backpacking tent made of durable 20D nylon with silicone coating. It's waterproof, windproof, easy to set up, and ultra-compact, ideal for hiking, cycling, mountaineering, and all-season camping with included footprint and instructions. Protection and comfort are essential when enjoying water activities or exploring rugged shores. The YALOX water shoes feature breathable, quick-dry fabric, drainage holes for cooler feet, and thick rubber soles with arch support to shield against rocks and shells. Their ultra-lightweight, non-slip design suits swimming, surfing, yoga, boating, and beach sports. Outdoor cooking demands versatile, durable gear that performs over an open flame. Introducing the Casa cast iron oven, a 6-quart pre-seasoned Dutch oven with tall legs for campfire stability and a coal-holding lid that doubles as a skillet. Built tough, it includes a lid lifter and carry bag for convenience. Outdoor cooking adventures require organized, durable tools in one place. The Wealers Utensil set offers a compact, water-resistant case with designated pouches for each item, ensuring easy access and protection. Rugged yet stylish, it's ideal for barbecues, hiking, or picnics. Your all-in-one travel-friendly kit for any outdoor dining occasion. For on-the-go tunes or relaxing moments, quality portable sound is essential. The Philips Bluetooth speaker delivers bold sound in a small, shower-ready design with quadrate fabric for acoustic clarity. Enjoy 10-hour playtime, waterproof build, tactile controls, stereo pairing, and a built-in mic. All in an elegant, ultra-portable package. Securing gear in tough conditions demands strength, flexibility, and reliability. The Titan utility straps are built from high-performance stretchy polymer with a 60-pound working load, ideal for bikes, skis, garden hoses, and field repair, even in frigid temps. Featuring heat-treated aircraft aluminum buckles, they offer durable, easy-to-use tension and double-strength security. Reliable lighting is essential for emergencies, outdoor adventures, or everyday use. The Enbrighten lantern delivers 200 lumens of 360-degree bright white LED light with dimmable low, medium, and high modes. Battery-powered with a 40-hour runtime, it's impact-resistant, weather-rated, compact, safe, and perfect for camping or storms. Outdoor cooking demands a reliable, windproof, and efficient heat source in any condition. The Bulin stove burner features high cooking performance, a piezo ignition switch for easy flame control, and a sturdy serrated tray for pot stability. Lightweight and portable, it supports 75 kilograms, perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or mountaineering. Outdoor relaxation calls for a seat that combines comfort, portability, and durability. The WEJOY folding chair features a removable padded cushion for seasonal comfort, hard armrests for support, and a wide, high seat for ergonomic lounging. With a 300-pound capacity, shoulder straps, and storage pocket, it's perfect for beach lawn or concert use. When camping, a reliable and toxin-free way to brew coffee is essential. The COLETTI Percolator coffee pot is made of 100% stainless steel with heat-toughened glass and an over-the-fire hanging handle. It includes medical-grade filters for easy cleanup and offers timeless craftsmanship with a lifetime replacement promise. Handling hot logs safely is crucial for any fire-related activity. The AROPAD fire pit Tongs set features 40-inch long, heavy-duty stainless steel construction for superior durability and heat resistance. Designed for precise log grabbing, it ensures safety and control. Ideal for outdoor fires, fireplaces, camping, and backyard bonfires. Comfort and warmth are essential for outdoor rest in cold weather. The 1TG Tactical Sleeping Bag features an ultralight, spacious envelope design for full-body movement and side-sleeping comfort. With an adjustable hood, dual YKK zippers, and anti-snag straps, it's perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, and emergency use. Protection from unpredictable weather is crucial for outdoor adventures. Introducing the MIER LANSHAN tent, an ultralight, durable backpacking tent with no-see-um mesh for ventilation and a waterproof rainfly and floor. Compact and easy to pack, it withstands wind, hail, and storms, offering spacious comfort and storage for 1 to 2 people. Securing gear during transport is essential for safety and protection. The LAPUTA roof rack straps are heavy-duty cam straps designed for kayaks, surfboards, bicycles, and more. Featuring reinforced stitching, weather-resistant alloy buckles, extra safety clips, and foam padding, they ensure a strong, secure hold without loosening or damage. Carrying firewood easily and cleanly is crucial for convenience and safety. The WHITEDUCK TUFF firewood carrier features heavy-duty waxed canvas, reinforced webbing, and waterproof, tear-resistant fabric. It offers spacious capacity, padded handles, a utility pocket for accessories, and a collapsible design, perfect for hauling wood or camping gear indoors and outdoors. Starting a fire reliably is essential for outdoor survival and comfort. The Zippo Mag Strike features a corrosion-resistant ferrocerium rod with a textured triangular grip and a sharpened ABS plastic striker blade. Its snap-lock closure and shielded internal chamber ensure durability and portability, making it ideal for camping and adventures. Convenient and lightweight drinkware is essential for outdoor adventures. Introducing the Valtcan Backpacking Mug, a 750 milliliters titanium pot mug featuring foldable bail and cup handles, a secure lid, and measurement markings. Its ultra-lightweight design includes a mesh bag for travel, combining durability, portability, and ease for camping and bushcraft. Reliable power on the go is crucial for outdoor adventures. The CONXWAN solar power bank offers 27,000 mAh capacity with 12-watt foldable solar panels and 3 USB outputs for triple device charging. Featuring fast USB-C charging, a 100-hour LED flashlight, and advanced protection, it's compact, durable, and travel-ready. Efficient cooking gear is essential for outdoor meals. The Bulin Camping Pot features a heat exchanger that boils water 30% faster, conserving fuel. Made from food-grade hard anodized aluminum, it's lightweight and durable. With a foldable heat-proof handle and B15N stove compatibility, it's perfect for backpacking and travel. Reliable lighting is crucial during power outages and outdoor adventures. The LaliBuBB solar power lanterns offer solar and USB charging. With a built-in 1,800 mAh battery, featuring 5 light modes, adjustable brightness, a waterproof rating, a foldable hook, and a 2-in-1 lantern and flashlight design, they're perfect for emergencies and camping. Staying warm and comfortable in cold weather is essential for outdoor sleep. Introducing the Big Agnes Sleeping Bag, an ultralight backpacking sleep quilt with innovative versatility, offering a mummy bag or flip-it footbox design. Made with recycled nylon ripstop, 850 fill down, diamond quilting, and thermal insulation for maximum warmth and packability. Reliable music on the go is essential for outdoor fun and parties. The PORTBOR Bluetooth speaker delivers powerful stereo sound with high-quality drivers, a waterproof design, and a portable lanyard. It features dazzling LED light modes, easy USB-C charging, TWS pairing, AUX input, and simple controls for versatile, joyful use anywhere. Handling hot coals and logs safely is crucial for any fire or grill setup. The Campingmoon FireTongs offer a 16-inch length for extended reach, made from 304 stainless steel with a titanium coating for high-temperature resistance. The rosewood handle ensures heat insulation, while alligator-like jaws provide a firm, non-slip grip for secure control. Securely handling hot cookware outdoors requires a reliable grip and compact design. The GSI Outdoors N-Form pot gripper features a folding design that locks onto N-Form crossover and destination cookware brackets. It prevents scratching, provides a secure, stable hold for safe cooking, and folds down small for convenient storage during travel. A shelter that balances space, comfort, and weather resistance is essential for family camping trips. The Campro's CP tent offers a roomy interior with a 72-inch center height, 5 large mesh windows, and a divided curtain for privacy. It's weather-resistant, easy to set up with color-coded poles, and highly ventilated. Staying connected during outdoor adventures requires reliable, portable power. The HiLucky solar power bank delivers with a 25,000 mAh capacity, 4 solar panels, and 3 USB outputs, including USB-C for fast charging. Shock-resistant and built for rugged use, it ensures safe, efficient charging in remote locations, anytime, anywhere. Long days outdoors demand comfort, convenience, and portability. The HomeVative backpack chair delivers with 5 reclining positions, a towel bar, a cooler, a storage pouch, a cup holder, and a phone pocket. Lightweight yet sturdy, it features padded backpack straps, a durable aluminum frame, an adjustable pillow, and lace-up suspension, perfect for beach lounging, camping, or outdoor events. Keeping dry and protected from rough terrain is essential during outdoor adventures. Meet the Wise Owl Outfitters Tarp. Built with ultra-strong 210D ripstop nylon, reinforced stitching, and waterproof material. It includes high-strength tent stakes, metal grommets, easy setup, a carry bag, and multiple sizes. Ideal for tents or hammock camping. Enjoying music anywhere, even in wet or rugged conditions, is a must for outdoor and bathroom use. Introducing the eBoda Bluetooth shower speaker, a waterproof, floating, and portable wireless speaker with an LED light, a 2,000 mAh battery, true wireless stereo, Bluetooth, a built-in mic, and a carabiner. Perfect for the beach, kayak, or shower.